you ever expected that fruits will run on the road and you are driving? It's true. Steve Braithwaite made it up. In 2009, UK-born Steve Braithwaite, a resident of Michigan, USA, started constructing the unique Big Banana car. Based on a 1993 Ford F-150 pickup truck, Steve took until 2011 to finish construction of the world's longest banana car. At 22 feet 10.5 inch, 6.97 meters, in length and 10 feet 2 inch, 3.09 meters, in height, the banana is built on the truck chassis using rebar, reinforced steel bars, chicken wire and polyurethane foam that was sculpted, covered in fiberglass and painted into its unique fruit appearance. Houston, Texas, Providence, Rhode Island, and everywhere in between. According to its constructor, this is the world's only four-wheel drive banana. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe us and press the bell icon for more new videos. Share the video and stay connected. Thanks for watching and your support.